Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use promo code in Clash of Clans, right? So it's very easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to see in the bottom right side corner shop. So whenever you purchase something, any items or any asset by using the real money, you can use your promo code to get some kind of discount, right? So here I will show you. So I will just go somewhere and I will just try to buy with my real money, right? So here this is diamonds and I just want to buy. So let's say I just want to buy this one, and once I select this, automatically it will redirect to me this page, which is basically Google Play here, right? We can only buy it from here. Now here it says offer applied 60 rupees off from the Google, right? When I just click on it, here it will just show me terms and service. But if I just click on this arrow icon here, you will see if I scroll a little bit down, this is promo code. So I can just apply my promo code here. I can just type whatever the promo code it is. I can also scan my gift card and I will click on redeem. Now, so this is the easiest thing to do. You can also do it from the scanner. So I hope you found this video very useful, that you came to know how to use promo code in Clash of Clans, right? If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.